So, do you currently trade alone or do you trade with a partner? It's a usual question that comes up when we talk about trading success. So, we'll talk about it in this video. Do you trade alone or do you have a partner? Should you trade alone? Should you have a partner to trade with? You can leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I enjoy reading your comments, so leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below how you are actually doing it. The chart that you are actually looking at is Euro USD. Treated me well. We managed to break through this zone. If you watched my previous videos, I told you we are going to wait for a decision in this area to see whether we were going to go back up or we were going to break through. So eventually the breakthrough came, and as I usually do, we don't jump in because we've seen a break that went through. We don't just randomly blindly jump in because it might actually be what a trap. I think I did a video about bearish and bullish traps that you need to be careful of again on this channel or the other channel. Just see the links in the description box below. So I patiently waited for a rebound. That's what we always say. Be mindful of breakouts. At least try to wait for a rebound so that what you enter a safe trade. So I managed to catch the rebound, but I think it was somewhere in this area here that my rebound was confirmed. When we broke through here, I knew that we were going to go down. So yeah, I managed to hold it. I think my stop loss was hit somewhere around here. But anyway, it's all good and fair. And so that's it about the Euro USD. Now again, we have reached the next zone, and we are going to see what's going to happen again. I think the euro has just been taking a beating from the dollar, but anyway, we'll see if there's going to be any change soon. If again it drips down, then again that's my next target. That's around 1.02 500. That will be my next level target if we manage to drip again going this way, or we might go back this way again, playing it safe. I will wait for some kind of confirmation, something like that. Okay, so going back to the topic of our video, should you trade alone or should you find a partner to trade with? Currently, are you trading alone or do you have somebody that you are trading with? Or are you part of a group? Are you part of a community? How are you actually trading? Uh, when I started, I was trading alone, I must say, because I struggled to find people that understood my passion and understood what I was doing. Because remember, those are the days when Forex was just taking off in South Africa, and there was a lot of scams going on. People were losing their monies to. There are many stories. I don't want to mention names in South Africa. If you're in South Africa, you probably know what happened. The stories and the scams that happened. I think when Forex started taking off around from around 2014 to around 2019, 2020 thereabouts. Then it started sort of quieting down, but there were things that happened. So it kind of made people aware of Forex trading, but they were also made aware of Forex in a negative way. So it was hard to find somebody who kind of understood Forex and shared the same passion as I did. So I basically just began trading alone. I was doing my research online, baby pips, YouTube, free Facebook groups, free Telegram groups, reading books and stuff like that. Eventually, fortunately, I found one or two guys that I actually now trade with. So I kind of have experience both as trading alone and also trading in a group or trading with others. I was also part of a signals group, which was kind of a community, so I kind of have that experience. So the benefit of trading alone is obviously that there is no noise. There is no noise in your life. You can actually do your analysis. You can do the things that you are doing alone, and there is nobody bothering you. Sometimes we overlook that, but there is that advantage of just if you are somebody who just enjoys being alone, doing their things, perfecting their skills, especially when you are still learning. Because if you are still learning and then you join a group where there are all these people talking about all these concepts and everything that you do not yet understand, sometimes it puts you down because you kind of end up feeling like you are probably lesser than you are, because there are these guys who are because in those groups there will be people who like make noise, and you think that this guy knows everything. So when you're just new and you kind of are trying to find the ropes, and all these guys are speaking all this language, it's very easy to get intimidated and to just maybe want to give up. But uh, the advantage is when you're trading alone, there's nobody bothering you, there's no noise, then you can basically learn the concepts, you can basically learn a style, you can basically try and fail alone. However, what I also found that whilst trading alone, I was making money. I also found out that it's sometimes also difficult to be alone, to just be doing that thing, forex trading alone, because forex can be lonely and tough on the mind. Sometimes you also just want somebody else to bounce ideas off of. Maybe you are seeing a sell setup. Sometimes you just want somebody whom you trust to just confirm whether they are seeing the same thing as well, or maybe it's just your mind playing tricks on you. Let's face it, if we open our chart today, same currency, same time frame, same broker, same everything, you find that everyone comes up with their own different conclusion of what's going to happen. So the advantage of trading with somebody, a partner, or maybe the two of you, the three of you, or maybe joining a community. There are many such groups on Facebook, on Telegram. I will not endorse any, but there are many such groups. You just have to go and find one that basically suits you and probably has people that kind of trade the same pairs that you trade the same style that you actually trade. So that's the advantage of joining a group or having a partner. You have somebody to talk to, somebody who understands the things that you are going through. When you lose money, when you win money, when things are happening, somebody that understands what you are saying. Sometimes it's hard to just find that person in anybody who is not trading. If your family is not trading and there are no traders in your family, then it's hard to have conversations about trading with them because they don't get it. They don't get what you're saying. So the danger also for having to join partners and groups and stuff like that is also that sometimes you find that the groups end up not being about what they are supposed to be, especially on Facebook, on Telegram. My experience has been Telegram and Facebook regarding groups. Sometimes you get people who like try to dominate the group. They are just making noise that makes no sense whatsoever. They just go there and they're just posting random stuff. That's what gets me about Facebook groups and Telegram groups. Sometimes people just go in there and then they start posting unnecessary stuff, and it's easy to get blinded by the guys that are making the most noise in the group, because sometimes we tend to think that that's the person who knows what they are talking about. My experience is that has been that sometimes those guys that are making the loudest noise in the group are actually the guys that know nothing in the about trading. So what I ended up doing was actually to be fortunate enough to just bump into somebody at my church. Uh, I did not suspect that they were into trading, and I discovered conversations were talking, and just discovered that this person, so they actually are a trader as well. So we ended up agreeing to just collaborate, just create a WhatsApp group, and whilst we were doing our thing, we ended up discovering that another guy as well at our church is also into trading crypto and forex as well. So we actually ended up with a group of about 4 guys in the WhatsApp group. So that's how we trade now. The advantage also has been just that because we're just 4 guys, we keep a strict forex ideas setups and crypto ideas setups and stuff like that. No noise, no junk spam stuff, no nothing, just clean forex and stuff. So the main advantage is that you get people that understand what you are going through, and you get people that you can bounce ideas off of. But I'm not saying that you cannot trade alone. Yes, you can actually be a successful trader alone. Uh, it just takes some mental discipline to be a lone trader. But I also believe that no man is an island. You just need some people just to talk to. Sometimes, especially when things don't go your way, you probably need some guys just to laugh about it and you joke about it, and tomorrow you come back and do it one more time. So leave your comments in the comment section below. I would like to hear, how are you trading? Are you trading alone? Do you trade as a group? Do you trade as a duo? How are you doing it? And how is the trading? Do you prefer trading alone? Do you prefer trading with a partner, or do you trade as a part of a group? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.